Hey, it's Tiana here from Your Hip Hop Class, and I will be walking you through a quick video tutorial on how to sign up to our student portal page, how to book your casual drop-in class online, and how to register for our single or family membership. Okay, let's get started. So if you're not already on our website, you want to head to your web browser and type in www.yourhiphopclass.com. And that will bring you to our front page. It will bring you to our front page, which will show you home, about dance, information on dance classes and skill levels, fitness, pricing, timetable, book class, studio hire, contact, and more. Before we head to timetable, we want all our first-time students to know that their first class is a free trial class. You do not need to pre-book or register for this. All you need to do is first head over to Timetable, and this is where you will find our weekly class schedule with classes from Monday all the way to Saturday. We have classes for babies from 3 years old to our OGs, which is over 35s, and we have for all skill levels from absolute beginners to advanced. With the free trial class, it is available to all classes except our major leagues, which is an advanced class for all invited choreographers, and that is the only one that does not include the free trial class. So everything else does. So now once you've chosen the class time and day that suits you best, and you've taken part in the free trial class, and now you're heading back to book your next class, you can either stay on this page and click on book now, and that will take you straight to our student portal. But we suggest that all our students head over to pricing just to get familiar with what payment options we do have. With our casual class rates, you can pay cash at the desk on arrival, or if you prefer to book all your classes online, this is where you want to start. So we have casual class rates for babies, juniors, teens, and adults. We offer class pass packages, and then we do our membership packages, which is for a single membership, and this is for a child, a teen, or an adult. And it is $40 per week with unlimited classes. And then we have our $50 per week family membership package, unlimited classes for 2 adults and 2 kids. We do have other family options available, but please speak to someone at the front desk about that, and we'll be able to set this up for you. With the membership packages, this is an Autopay direct debit done fortnightly, so this is not a cash payment membership. So again, what we're doing right now is for anyone that's looking to purchase a class online and a 10 class pass online, or to register for membership. Okay, so let's head over and let's see how you can sign up. So this is signing up your student or yourself. You have to be over 18 when you do the sign up. So if you're a parent, great. If you're a single student, please make sure that you're over 18 or you have a parent guardian able to help you with this. So if you've already created an account, you will put your email and your password. If it's your first time, you click on create account. It will bring you to the account registration. Very simple. Your email address, your first name, last name, mobile address. If you're a parent, you will add your child year at add a student. If you're an adult student, you will click on I take class. So let's just click on this. You want to enter in your emergency contact information. If it's the child that you're adding, their name and surname here with their birth date. If it's yourself that you're adding yourself, your name will pop up with the surname. It is very important to make sure that the birth date is of the student because this will help when you're registering for your class. The classes will only come up that suits your age. And if you are a student that is 16, or you have a child that is 16, 17, that also would like to join in adults classes, please come to the front desk and we will again help you set this up, set up this account so that you're able to do both classes. All right, so underneath there is a little fun question, maths question, that you will receive just to make sure that you're an actual person and this is not spam. You will click that I'm 18 and register for this account, and it will click and send you to this page. So once you've signed up, we've already signed up before, so we're just going to head to log in, and we're going to put the account. So we're just going to put in our account for now that was previously made. Okay, so let's put that one in again. Okay. Okay, so it will bring you to the front page of the portal, student portal. Here you will find there's little icons, symbols that you can click in and it will give you some information. Like here we have bulletin board where we will let you know if there's any special events coming up, any rehearsals for certain classes coming up, Autopay, which is extremely important, and we'll walk through that in a minute. Shared files, we can share music with the student for any shows that are coming up. Register for class, and we'll show you how to book your classes in a minute. Tickets, this is for end of year concerts or any events coming up. Account setting, you change your passwords, you can check your account. The registration of what you've entered. Manage students, this is for parents who are just wanted to keep tabs on what classes their kids have done in the past. Online store, this is merchandise, any workshops that we might have. Calendar, what's happening through the year. Make an online payment, again this can be for merchandise or any workshops. Dance cards, this is your class pass. I'll click on this for a second and this will show you the 3 class pass or 10 class pass. You can just choose the amount that you'd like to purchase, how many passes you'd like to purchase, and update your order, and you'll be able to purchase then. But before you do any of those purchasing, you would want to create your Autopay first. So again, this is only if you are purchasing with your credit card, your bank account. If you're signed up for single or family membership with an Autopay coming out fortnightly, this is only for that. Again, we do offer cash payments at the front desk on arrival. So again, this is only for online payments and if you prefer to do anything online. So we're going to create an account. We're going to click on to enroll in Autopay, sign up for Autopay. And this is just to create again, an account for anyone that's booking casual all the way to membership. So yeah, very straightforward. First name, last name, email, mobile address, and then we'll head down here to payment methods. So whether it's on your bank card, your credit card, you insert all your details, and then we want to head down here, click on the terms and conditions, agree, and then submit. So once you've created your direct debit request, or that, again, this is also if you're purchasing for this single class at the time, you want to create this account first. All right, so we're going to head back to the home section, and this is where you want to, so now we've entered in our enroll in Autopay, this icon will be removed once you've created that. And you will also notice if you haven't created your auto account, it will let you know that you would need to create an account, an Autopay account, before enrolling. So this is what will come up. Okay, so we're going to head over there. So now we're going to register for our class. We've clicked on register for class. And so we will then, again, I've mentioned previously, I've created an over 18 account. So only adult classes will pop up on my feed when going to class registration. So this is how it will come up. We'll come up with information, what levels, welcome. So we have booty work, which is a fitness class, so you do not need any dance experience. It will explain the class, what to wear. Then we have all sorts, let's say major leagues, advanced level, 3 years experience. It will give you the information. There's absolute beginner hip hop, no dance experience. Pro beginners, 1 to 2 years experience. So it will give you all the information. Now, once we've decided on what we are going from, whether we're going to choose to just do a drop-in class or whether we're registering, you want to click on that class, and what you'll see at the bottom here is that there's a green and a blue tab. The blue tab is for if you're just doing a casual drop-in class. So once you click this, it will bring up all the months through the year, and you are able to click on the classes that you feel you will be doing. And once you do that and press submit, it will send you to your payment area, which you could pay via PayPal, you can pay via your card, and you can book your class straight away and just enjoy the class then. This blue tab is only for anyone looking to do a casual drop-in class and pay online straight away for the class. The blue tab is to enroll into this class. And when we mean enroll, this is when you're joining up your child as membership, as a single student membership, or as a family membership. So once you click on enroll and click submit, once you click on enroll and click submit, this will then lock your student into this class, and we will be able to create the single family membership. So once you've clicked enroll and you've registered online, signed up for our parent portal page, all you need to do is head over to the front desk, let us know that you're going for a single membership or a family membership, and we will be able to create the account, the payment set up for you that suits you best, which will be deducted every Monday, every first Monday of the month and every third Monday of the month. So once you head into our front desk and you've signed up already, we'll be able to create these accounts for you. So it's really simple with just heading over to the front page to create your account. First off, you want to click on to enroll in Autopay, and then once you have locked in your payment plan that you want to go with, you just head over to register for class and click on either the blue tab, which is for single drop-in class and paying on the spot, or to the blue tab, which is to enroll for a single membership or family membership that is auto-paid every fortnight, starting from the first Monday of each month and the third Monday of each month. Hope this has helped you. Please feel free to contact us via email or phone number if you need any help registering yourself online, or just head into the studio and we'll love to help you face to face. Thank you.